Hello everyone, it's Dr. Bam. So I'm hoping to do one of these foundation videos every unit. I was not able to include one in Unit 1, but this will be the one for Unit 2. I did want to make sure that everyone reviewed the background check requirement. Although the field experience hours for this semester are not going to be completed in a school, but rather online, just make sure you realize that if you have background check issues, it could keep you from working with children in the state of Texas. Okay, by this time you should have seen all this. I'll be updating my office hours really soon. You're wrapping up Unit 1 tonight, and I'm about to open this unit, Creating Safe Environments and Indoor Safety, Unit 2. This will be our second unit. Unlike Unit 1, which went 1 week, ending in August 31st, this unit will go 2 weeks, ending on September 14th. Okay. So each week there's the knowledge foundation. This week this is the one here. This is going to discuss in general what we're going to be looking at in these chapters in this unit. Once again, this unit is a 2-week unit. We're going to be looking at safety policies, managing risk and prevention in environments for young children. Early childhood professionals need to know what hazards there could be in an early childhood education environment. This includes understanding, recognizing developmental levels and physical abilities or disabilities. So we need to remember that even though children may be of a certain age, if they have not developmentally reached certain milestones, they still may need a lower level of toy, a lower level of environment, or likewise, if a child is ahead developmentally, they may need increased challenges. We need to learn to anticipate, modify, and monitor early childhood education environments for injury prevention. We must also examine our indoors for safety risks. So we're going to focus a lot on indoor this week, looking at indoor equipment, behaviors of our own behaviors, poisons, fires, burns, and looking into account on, like I said earlier, the developmental levels of the child. Step 1, watch the foundation video. If you're hearing this, you are watching it. It's not here in the video because I'm making the video right now, but this is what you are watching right now. Step 2, I always recommend printing and downloading the PowerPoints. They're right down here. Chapter 2, Chapter 3. Use this to help you take notes when you're reading through your chapters. And then Step 3 would be to read Chapter 2 and 3 of your textbook. Finally, you're going to complete the Unit 2 knowledge check that is based on Chapter 2 and 3, and that will complete your knowledge foundation for the unit. So, this week's knowledge check is going to be done through a link that you will follow. You must score on the quiz, and this is going to be done through quizzes. You must score a 60% or above, and if you score a 60% or above, you get full credit. If you score below a 60%, you will receive a 0. And so all you're going to do is you're going to click on the knowledge check. It's going to bring you to this, describing the requirements. When you click out, it's going to click you to this quizzes. You just put your name here. If it requests an email, go ahead and put your Hill College email. You hit start, and it's going to start the game for you once you hit start game. Okay? And that's how you take the quiz. There is no need for you to submit anything to this link, even though it'll let you. If you want to submit your score, you may, but you don't have to. I am able to see it as long as you put your first name and last initial or first and last name into the quiz. I can go ahead and give you your credit based on that. Now, if you use a name that I can't recognize, then you won't get your credit. So make sure you use your name. Okay, so after you do your knowledge check, and this is the only time I'm going to put the information here about the email and the score. The rest, from now on, it'll just appear in the assignment itself. You're going to go and complete this Knowledge Builder, Unit 2, Creating Safe Environments, Indoor Safety. This is where you're going to see most of your work. I'm going to try to pause it. It went right to my questions. Sometimes it tries to show people's grades. So in here, it's just going to be like last week. You'll have your Knowledge Builder questions. There's different sections. Some of them are activities, some of them are videos. Some of them are my own. This one is mine. Others were created by other people, but all of them relate to this week's and should be building upon your knowledge. Please don't wait till the last minute to complete this because these do take some time. If you wait too long, then you will not be able to. Trying to make sure that's just okay. I was a little worried that was giving me a big red circle. Sorry, I am not restarting this if I make an error or what have you, just like I would in class. I'm just trying to talk to you and talk through things as I would if we were in class together. So once you complete the Knowledge Builder, you'll have your knowledge application. Part of your responsibility as a parent or as an early childhood professional is to educate others in the field. This includes parents and other teachers on how to support children developmentally while keeping them safe. Toys and educational material safety are one topic that we discussed this chapter that needs to be addressed when it comes to young children and their safety. So in this assignment, your job is to create a one-page flyer or a 2-minute informational video. Don't just talk to me as if you're talking to me as a professor. So if you're doing the 2-minute video, this should be you talking to parents, talking to other teachers, kind of like she does in this video. Good example on how to keep children safe, how to choose safe toys, and what you need to consider. So you need to create that one-page flyer or a 2-minute video sharing with parents how to choose, maintain toys, educational materials. Sorry, that was my email. For young children. In addition, the information provided in your textbook, I have provided 2 sources. One is Toy Safety and Childcare. It's a great handout from CPS, Department of Family Services. I will check that link and make sure that works. And then the other one is to Consumer Product Safety. So I'll come back and check those links, but these will give you some information and then a great video that is similar to what you would do, only a little bit shorter. I think hers is a little bit longer. Okay, so that is your assignment for this unit. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a great 2-week unit, Unit 2.